Let's remove the mystique. AI does not lie, it predicts. Large language models are not databases. They are probabilistic text engines. Their job is simple. Given the input, predict the most statistically likely next token. That's it. There is no built-in truth detector. There is no internal fact-checking conscience. There is only pattern prediction. Hallucinations happen when the model encounters missing context, ambiguous instructions, gaps in knowledge, overly broad questions, or pressure to provide a confident answer. When the model lacks certainty, it does not say, "I don't know," by default. It fills the gap with probability. Probability feels coherent, but coherence is not the same as accuracy. That is where fabrication originates. Executives get into trouble when they treat AI output as verified. It is not verified, it is plausible. If you ask, "Give me 5 studies supporting this claim," the model may generate studies that look real. Names, dates, journal titles, but if it cannot confidently retrieve real references, it will assemble something statistically believable. This is not deception, it is overconfident pattern completion. There are 3 structural reasons hallucinations occur. First, the model is trained on massive datasets but does not have live structured recall. Second, it does not inherently know what it does not know. Third, if your prompt demands specificity without boundaries, it will invent structure. The more vague the input, the more creative the output. Creativity is good for marketing, it is dangerous for facts. How to reduce hallucinations? You reduce hallucinations by reducing ambiguity. First, narrow the scope. Instead of explain quantum computing, ask, provide a high-level explanation suitable for a non-technical executive. Second, force transparency. Instruct, if you are unsure, say so. Distinguish between verified fact and general knowledge. Third, invite clarification. State, if key information is missing, ask clarifying questions before proceeding. This shifts the model from guessing to aligning. Fourth, avoid forcing specificity beyond known data. If you demand exact numbers without supplying them, you increase fabrication risk. Understand this clearly. Hallucinations are not a flaw you eliminate entirely. They are a risk you manage, just like cognitive bias. The solution is not fear. It is structure, boundaries, constraints, verification when stakes are high. AI is powerful but not omniscient. Control the scope, demand transparency, verify when it matters. That is how professionals use AI, not casually, responsibly.